Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Thank you for joining me in my little corner of the internet where I talk all things planners, fountain pens, and fountain pen inks. Today, I'm actually going to share a journaling spread with you because I just received a huge haul from the Washi Tape Shop. I'm going to show you basically what I got, and then I'll go ahead and decorate a spread in my journal using one of these. Oh boy, there's a lot to get through. And don't worry, I will do all of the unwrapping off camera so that you don't have to deal with all of the crinkling. Let's get started. All right, that took me a little longer than I wanted it to, but all unpackaged. So I'm going to show you each of these rolls, and then I'm going to decide which one I'm going to use to decorate my spread from Saturday. First, we have three here, which are called the Sunlit Orchard, and there's three different ones here from the collection. So the first one here is these are the pre-cut Sunlit Orchard script tape. And that's really pretty. And look, there's a little bit of foiling on them as well. That's some lovely detail. I love the watercolor effect on these. These are stunning. Okay, so that is like one from here to about here is one, I guess, full set there. So there's probably quite a few in this here. And then we have Orchard 2. Oh, sorry, this is Vase Medley. Where's Orchard 2? No, this is Orchard 2. Sorry, we have Orchard 2 here, and we've got more of those watercolors. These are slightly bigger. You've got a window and birds and trees and that house. That's really, really lovely. And then we have Orchard 3. These are, oh, that's stunning. I really like that. I love the foil detail on these as well. These are really, really lovely. So that is the pre-cut Sunlit Orchard script tape set. The sticker paper feels a little bit thicker on this than it would regular washi. So that's the first of these sets. Then we have this one is the pre-cut Summer Bazaar wide washi tape. These are massive. So, okay, so they go in this order. Wow. So this looks like, yeah, a garden or a market. I think these might be too big for my journal, but they're lovely. Yeah, these would be way too big for my planner, but they're so pretty. I love all those jars. I love this. So I think I would be able to find like a few stickers in here that would probably work in my journal, but the majority of them I think are like quite big. But they're so beautiful. So I'm going to keep that for the summer and see what I can make work in my journal. So then we have another set here. This is the Vase Medley washi tape sticker set, and there's three that come in this set. So the first one with the vases or the vases. Oh, this reminds me of one of the sets that I got from them last year. I love the smaller details of the stickers. That's really pretty. And then, whoops, number 2. Again, very pretty. These are out at the Washi Tape Shop now. These are some of their newest washi, and you can use the code Karina10 or my affiliate link down below to purchase these as well. And then we have the third set. I really like the colors of these. These will go with a lot of the fountain pen inks that I have currently inked. Lovely. This one's actually really nice. I feel like kind of goes with the antiquing that my husband and I did over the weekend, although that one kind of looks like a Christmas tree. But the journal spread that I'll be working on will be from the date day that my husband and I had on Saturday for our 18th wedding anniversary. How crazy. Then we have the pre-cut floral heirloom wide washi. When Washi Tape Shop say wide washi, these are massive. Wow, look at that. This isn't normally to my taste. I don't know if it's to my taste necessarily, but they are still really pretty. I don't know if these are something that I would use personally, but I think there would be a lot of people who love this color. that would love this particular set. So this is the pre-cut floral heirloom. And then we have the pre-cut journal nook wide washi. So these are big. Ooh, I like these with the washi or the journaling girls and the cafe and the coffee shop. Oh, and the lovely desserts. That's really nice. There's quite a few here actually. Yeah. Oh wow, this extends quite a bit. Hold on. There we go. So that is actually a very, very long design. So there's quite a bit in here that you could use. Again, these, I don't know if these would be too big for my Hobonichi, or not even my Hobonichi, but my A5 notebook. But we'll see. Some of the washi tapes from the Washi Tape Shop they do vary in size, which I like because depending on the journal that you use, some like really, really big stickers on, for me personally, I like the smaller ones. And this last one is the Summer Market Wide Washi Tape. Oh, look at the vegetables. Sorry. Look at all the vegetables and the baskets. So this one would actually go with the Summer Bazaar Wide Washi Tape as well. Again, really big stickers. I don't know if they'd necessarily fit in my journal, but they're still really pretty. The artwork on them is lovely, but also I love the feel of the washi tape here. I love the thin sticker paper and how it doesn't add a ton of bulk to my journal. So out of all of those, I think what I may end up using, oh, that's a tough one. All right, so I'll be going ahead and journaling here. This is the photo that I printed from my Kodak Mini 2 Retro printer. I am posting photos of basically my little progress photos, and then the Indian buffet that my husband and I had, and then the postcard that I found at the antique mall. Whenever I go to an antique mall or go to a thrift store or anything and they have postcards, I try to find one that has a letter or something written on it, but I also try to find the postmark, and this one was from 1911. So I love that. I'll probably be putting that here and trying to see which one would match best. Probably the vase or vase medley. The colors seem to work well with that, but also I do enjoy the smaller stickers of the vase medley, because the other ones feel a little big, but also the vases kind of remind me of like going to the antique mall. Oh, I like the flowers of this one too. And then this third one here, I think I'll go with the middle one. I could certainly use all of them. Oh, that's a tough one. No, I'll go with the first one. The first one here. So, well, that wasn't the first one. This is the second one. I'm mixing them all up here. So what I'm going to first do is glue this down with my Tombow Mono Air permanent adhesive. And this works really well for all of my photos. Somebody asked me if the Kodak Mini 2 Retro printer comes with sticker paper. I don't actually know. Let me see, which side did I put it on? So unfortunately, I won't be able to answer that for you, but I don't mind the bulk that this adds to my journals. I love actually seeing a chunky journal once it's all done. So let's see. It's always so tough for me to choose stickers, and I'm trying to see how long. Okay, so that there, don't know if you can see that, that is basically one length that I can go with. I'm going to go with this one here, and I don't necessarily want to put it right over my pictures, because I mean, what was the point of me printing my pictures? So I'll put that there, and then I think let's put, I almost want to put this together with this, or yeah, let's do that. So if we put this down first And then this right on top. It's going to look a little wonky, but I don't care. I think it looks cute. Then we'll do some smaller flowers. I try not to go too crazy with decorating because it stresses me out actually if I put too many stickers down. It's just the way that I am. And I know not everybody feels that way. Some people love having tons of stickers. I personally am more of a minimalist when it comes to how many stickers I put down, and even this feels like a lot for me. I'm going to put one more down right here and probably do, let's see. There's some of you that are probably yelling at me to choose a specific kind. This one looks like washi tape to me. And I'm going to lie it on its side like that and make it look a little odd. But that's, that's me. Or I'm going to move this a tiny bit. I'm just covering up my entry from last year. There we go. Okay. I know some people are like, that really doesn't look very put together or whatnot. And sometimes when it comes to journaling spreads, I think, should I add more flair to it? Whatever. But honestly, this is a place for me to add memories and add photos and add my thoughts. And stickers are almost a second thought, and washi are almost a second thought. So whenever I receive huge hauls like this from the Washi Tape Shop, I'm so grateful because these will last me forever. But also I'll be able to share this with friends, and it allows me to be able to decorate so many different spreads because I use these so sparingly. Now, to choose what ink I want to use in here, this is my little Hobonichi A6 notebook that I use for my currently inked. And I'm thinking, let's see, what do I feel like using? I kind of feel like using a blue, like the Bunga Box Cinderella Slipper, or the Esterbrook Esty with the Diamine Burr, possibly, or something with that kind of pink, like the Platinum with the Kobe Milk Chocolate, possibly. Oh, you know what? I'm going to be fun and use the Esterbrook Esty with Diamine Burr. So this is my Esterbrook Esty in Blue Moon with Diamine Burr. Now I'm going to zoom you in and go ahead and journal in this spot. So there's my quick little journaling spread to celebrate my 18th wedding anniversary, but also the end of a workout program and showing off my progress. I really wanted to show how a journaling spread doesn't have to be one way or another, and it doesn't have to have a ton of stickers. It can be whatever you make it, whether it's a photo with a couple of stickers or just writing. Journaling can be whatever you make it. And I am so thankful to the Washi Tape Shop for sending through all of these washi tapes because they are going to last me ages, but also I have so many washi tapes that I can share with friends as well. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. If you're interested in these specific washi tapes, I will include my affiliate link in the description below so you can get 10% off your Washi Tape Shop order. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.